have 26 zeros of certificates, repairs, and hobbies, and on the bench we have this basket. It did have suction cups on it that we took off because they wore out, came unstuck from the shower. So we're going to use it for something else. We used silver spray paint. We cleaned it in the dishwasher, and it's pretty dry now. So we're going to do a little special thing here to mount it where we're going to mount it. So stay tuned. What I did here is put tape on the back edge of the cage here, and we put double-sided tape on that. I'm going to stick it to the wall. It's a completed job. It's stuck to the wall, and it's all set, and it's better organized. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. See you next time. Bye for now.